everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my own press-on nails at home, and I'm also going to be doing some Scooby-Doo Daphne inspired nail art because that's who I'm going to be for Halloween. So I hope you all enjoy, and let's get into the video. So I'm going to start out with sizing out my full cover nail tips. These are long coffin nail tips. I'm not sure where I got them. I think they might have come in like a beginner gel polish kit or something like that. But I'm just going to choose whichever ones fit my natural nail the best, and I will definitely have to file at least some of them because not all of them will fit perfectly. So as I always say, opt for the larger one if you're in between sizes. So these three nails I do have to file down because they are a little bit too large for my natural nail. So I'm just taking my 180 grit file and I'm just going to file down wherever it doesn't fit my natural nail. So like the sides, maybe a little bit of the cuticle area. And I just like to file a little bit and then check it just to make sure I don't over file it. For some reason, this was the smallest nail, and it's still too big for my nail, and I feel like my nails aren't even that small, so I do have to file this pinky nail quite a bit. So since we are doing press-on nails, now would be the time to trim the nails or reshape the nails if you want them a different shape. I do want to keep this shape, but I just want to trim them. So I'm just going to take my false nail clipper and trim them a little bit because they're a little bit too long for my taste. So I'm just going to start with a little bit because I don't want to over trim it. So maybe just like right here. And then we'll look at it on my nail, and I feel like I want it shorter than that, so I'll do a little bit more. And yes, it is a little bit uneven. I, for some reason, never can clip them like perfectly even, so I am going to go in with a file after this. I just want it slightly shorter than that, so just a little bit. And yeah, they are now square, but I don't really mind. Square or coffin was kind of what I was going for. So I'm just gonna file that one later. I'm going to trim the rest of them now. So I tried my best to keep all of the nails about the same length. I know it is a little bit hard since they're not actually on your nails. It is a lot easier if you're doing like Gel X nails and you already have the nails on your natural nails, so you can just like trim them while they're on your nails. But for these, it is a little bit more difficult since we're doing press-on nails. So I did try my best to make sure they were about the same length, but they might be a little off. Like I said, I do usually clip them uneven on accident, so I'm just filing them. Sometimes I just go like this and I feel like that goes quicker. And I might want to like round out the edges a little bit so they're not like super pokey. Sometimes I might go this way also. I dusted off the nails just to get all the nail dust off so it doesn't get in my gel polish and then look all lumpy. And now I'm just going to put the nails on the nail stand. I just like to stick them on using clay. since I am painting on fake nails, I'm not going to be using a base coat. I feel like it's only necessary if you're painting on your natural nails. So I'm just going to go straight in with the color C016 from Beetles. It's kind of a nice lavender color. Like I said, I am doing Daphne inspired nails from Scooby-Doo because I am going to be her for Halloween. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to post this video before Halloween. I hope I can. But if not, they're not really Halloween nails. They're just kind of like cute purple floral nails. You'll see when we do the nail art. But either way, even if you're not going to be Daphne for Halloween or anything, I feel like these are just super cute nails. I don't think I'm going to film it, but I am probably going to go in with a second coat of this gel polish, and then I'll just cure it and we'll be ready for the nail art. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you going to be for Halloween? I added the second coat and those are all cured now, so I am ready for nail art. I am going to be using C014 and C032. Again, the Beetles gel polish. I'm also going to be using a little bit of the same color I did as the base color for the nail art as well. And all the nail art I am going to be doing today, you only need a dotting tool. So this is super easy nail art, really beginner friendly. So starting with my thumbnail, I'm going to be using the green color. So I'm just putting some of that on the nail polish palette. And I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm just going to go along the tip of the nail. And this is one of the larger dotting tools that I have. It's like the second to largest one, I think. So here's what the thumbnail's looking like. I did do a flash cure so everything stays in place, and it definitely does not have to be perfect. This is definitely not perfect at all, but it still looks okay. It's kind of like a French tip, but a little bit more fun. So I'm going to be doing the same thing on my middle fingernail, and then on my pinky nail I'm also going to be doing the same thing, but in a purple color. And I'm dipping the dotting tool in each time I make a dot, just to make sure there's an even amount. Now I kind of feel like it's giving eggplant vibes, but hopefully we can change that with the darker purple color. So on my pinky nail, I am going to be doing the same thing like I said, but with this dark purple. I am doing the flowers on the other two nails. So for this I'm going to be using my largest dotting tool, and I'm starting with the darker purple. And I'm going to be doing two flowers, so the first one's going to be in this left corner of the nail. And I'm just going to do a dot and then spread it out a little bit. The hardest part about this for me is just making sure the dots are like evenly apart from each other. I flash cured that and then added some lighter purple onto my nail polish palette, and I'm taking a slightly smaller dotting tool and I'm just going to put the dot right here on each of the nails. So it's just going to create a different shape of petal. And in the middle, I'm just going to put 1 dot of the green gel polish. Not the most perfect thing, but I think it's good enough. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side of the nail, right here. I am actually kind of rushing a little bit because my phone is about to run out of battery and I don't have an outlet where I film, so I'm going to have to take a little break, but I just want to finish this nail. Okay, I took a little bit of a break to charge my phone, so now I don't have to rush since my phone is fully charged. So I'm just creating some stems using the green gel polish and just going down the nail. This nail is going to be the same thing, except the flowers are going to be green and then the stem will be purple. Time for a top coat. So since I did use all Beetles gel polish, I thought I might as well just use the Beetles top coat as well. Plus, the Beetles top coat is probably one of my favorite top coats for gel. I really like this top coat. But anyways, I really like how this nail set turned out. I think it definitely gives Daphne vibes, and I'm really excited to wear them on Halloween. It's really nice since they're press-on nails. I can just put them on for Halloween and take them off whenever. I also really like that this nail set was pretty quick and easy. I don't always like to spend like hours and hours on my nails, so that was really nice with the easy nail art with the dotting tool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video, and have a great Halloween if you celebrate, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!